Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Advertisation. I am Uncle Richman, and today I'll be doing a video on 10 side hustles that can give an accountant extra money. You know, whether you like it or not, no matter how much you're earning, salary is not enough. So, which is why most experts will advise that you get multiple streams of income. As an accountant, you're a professional. People around you see you as a big shot, someone who has more than enough to go around, which is why they keep placing demands on you. Demands come from family, demands come from friends. As a matter of fact, if you check what is happening in our economy, your salary cannot take you far. Your salary is not enough. And worse still, if you want to really be financially independent, depending on one source of income is not wise. So, why do you need to have multiple streams of income? The answer to this question is simply, one salary is not enough. So, side hustle is a common term in our days and has become more necessary than it has ever been. Every professional can, of course, have a side hustle. And accountants, being a professional occupation, are not left out. So, no matter how busy the nature of your job may be, you can still do something as a part-time side hustle, or you can even do it as a freelance. Okay. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 10 possible side hustles that can give you extra money. So let's jump to number one. The first one is offer the service of bookkeeping. As an accountant, you have experience, you have the knowledge. And of course, bookkeeping is one of the basic aspects of accounting. So as an accountant, it is believed that you know how to do the job of bookkeeping. There are so many small businesses out there, even medium-scale businesses, that are in need of the service of a bookkeeper, but they cannot afford to employ somebody on a full-time basis that will be doing the job of bookkeeping. So you can approach these businesses, these startups, these companies. You can approach them and get the job done, and they'll pay you. It may be a one-off thing, or it may be a part-time thing on weekly basis, or when you close from your normal job, you can just go there, handle their bookkeeping jobs, and then they pay you. Just imagine, just sit down and think for a second. Imagine that you have 5 to 10 small businesses that you're doing bookkeeping jobs for on part-time basis. Imagine that each of this, maybe you have like 10, and each are paying you, let's say 10,000. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't want to be I don't want to over exaggerate, so I want to be realistic. Imagine that each is paying you 10,000, okay, and you go there maybe like 3 times per month, 3 weekends, and you spend maybe like 2 hours or below 2 hours. At the end of the month, you have 50,000 if you have up to 10. Okay, that's a cool extra stream of income, isn't it? 50,000 will go a long way to do some take care of some of your expenses, your utility bills, and some other things. So thereby you have enough left from your major salary that you can save and invest if you are aiming at becoming financially independent. Okay, so now let's move to the second side hustle that you can do as an accountant. The second one is you can become a tax consultant. Whether you like it or not, tax payment is almost or is has become unavoidable. Individuals pay taxes, businesses pay taxes. So, but the problem is most people don't know anything or they know little about taxes. So, you as an accountant, you have the knowledge and you have the experience, so you can become a consultant in this aspect of finance and accounting. You can approach small businesses, become their tax consultants. You can teach them, show them how they can minimize taxes that they are paying legally, how they can avoid being fined, okay? And there's so many things they need to know about taxes. Just think about it. You can serve as a tax consultant to both individuals and small and medium scale enterprises, okay? So let's move to the third side hustle that you can do as an accountant. Offer tutoring services. When I say tutoring here means teaching. You have the knowledge and you have the experience. So you can either go online or you can do it offline. There are so many tutorial centers offline that you can subscribe to. You may decide to go for the ones that are teaching secondary school students who are preparing to take entrance exams. Okay. You may also decide to teach undergraduates who are doing accountancy. Okay, those studying accounting, you can teach them and just charge them little fees. You can as well teach graduates who are preparing to write professional accounting exams. And there are so many things you can do. Okay, you can do so many things. You can teach so many things. You can even teach business owners that are interested in knowing about their account units, that wants to manage their account by themselves. You can teach them. Okay, so let's move to the third thing you can do as a side hustle as an accountant in Nigeria. You can become an accounting counselor. Okay, but whether entrepreneurs or individuals, okay, who are doing accounting or young accountants, they need guidance. They need someone to counsel them, to guide them. Okay, you can be that person. You have the experience and you have the knowledge, so you can stand in, fill in that gap of accounting counselor. Entrepreneurs who approach you when they know that you are functioning as an accounting coach, a counselor, they approach you to guide them on issues that are related to their accounting aspect of their businesses. And students or young accountants too may want to suck from your wisdom, so you can guide them as well. Okay, and then you get paid for doing that. So let's move to the fifth side hustle that you can do as an accountant. The fifth one is you can start finance or accounting blog. Before I tell you the importance of having a blog, I want to draw your attention to what I feel is a discouraging factor. Okay. When you hear blog has undoubtedly been overrated. So many people will come out and tell you so many lies about blogging. Yeah, so many people will tell you impossible things about blogging. But fine, that is granted. That does not in any way mean that people are not making money from blogging. You can as well. You can make money from blogging. Okay? You have the knowledge, you have the experience. What I think you should be doing as an accountant is make a list of questions, accounting related questions. Try to answer those questions via your blog. Okay. So just have it at the back of your mind that the blog is created to teach certain set of persons, maybe individuals who are into business, small startups. You can teach them so many things in accounting, how they can manage their account effectively, how they can manage the tax aspect, how they can do bookkeeping, and there are so many things you can teach on your blog. And then, how do you now monetize the blog, you may ask? There are so many ways you can monetize the blog. So many. The ways you can monetize your blog are unlimited. Trust me. So, but I'm going to focus on just 3 ways you can monetize your blog. The first one, which is the most easiest, is AdSense. Once you start getting traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense. And once you're approved, you get a code, you place the code on your blog site, and that code appears to visitors as advert. So once they see it or they click, you get paid by Google. That is how simple that one is. The second way you can monetize your blog is by placing ad banners on your blog. How do you get these ad banners? Individuals may approach you that they want to place advert on your blog because you're having traffic, okay? And companies that are into that your niche, like accounting related services or products, offering company may you may send your proposal to them that they can place their ad banner, okay, and then you tell them your fee. They pay you maybe on weekly basis or monthly basis depending on your agreement with them. And the third one, which is for me the most interesting one, why I like this one most, is you don't need a product, you don't need a service, okay, but you make money. So this third one is called affiliate marketing. So as we progress in this video, we'll get to a part where I'm going to explain affiliate marketing in details, okay, in more details, okay. So affiliate marketing has just see like you are selling other people's product and services. You don't have product, but when you sell their product and services, they pay you certain percentage that we call commission, okay. So let's move to the 6th side hustle that you can do as an accountant in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. The number 6 is you can become outsourced chief finance officer, okay. Of course, you know the job of a chief finance officer is basically to oversee the organization's accounting activities, okay, which include preparing budgets, managing insurance, sales tax reporting, auditing, financial compliance, and maintaining financial records. So because you are an accountant with experience, you can approach small businesses and medium scale enterprises to be their chief finance officer, okay, because most of these small businesses and medium scale enterprises may not have the financial capacity to employ you full time or somebody within your level, somebody with your kind of pedigree, okay. So you approaching them, asking them politely, okay, in a convincing way, to outsource that aspect of their job to you, and you'll be charging them a very little fee. It's going to look like a win-win arrangement, and I believe they will be interested. So you can also use Fiverr and Upwork to find clients. Just sign up on Fiverr. It's free. Sign up on Upwork, and there are some other freelance markets too that you can sign up to get clients. So let's move to the 7th side hustle that you can do as an accountant in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. The 7th one is create a YouTube channel. I am sure you've heard so many persons advising you, do YouTube channel. If you have not heard, this is me telling you, create YouTube channel. It's indeed a reasonable source of income for so many, and it can be the same for you, okay. So it is very easy. You don't have to buy anything. You don't even necessarily need to take any course to create YouTube channel. It's as easy as spelling your name, okay. So if you have a camera, you can start up. Even if you don't have camera, you can even use your phone, just like this one that I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm using my phone to do this video, so you can as well start like this, and later on you can get a good camera at a very reasonable amount. So what then do you now post on your YouTube channel, you may ask? You have the experience, you have the knowledge, so you know so many questions that people are asking, practical questions, and you have their answers. So why don't you do videos that explains these answers to people? Why don't you do video that teach people so many concepts in accounting, teach people how to manage their account, teach people how to go about their tax preparation and tax payment and bookkeeping and so many other things. I may not know so many keywords in accounting because that is basically not my field. Okay, so but you as an accountant, you know so many keywords. So why don't you just take advantage of your knowledge and your experience and make money off it? So how then do you get money from YouTube, you may want to ask? There's what we call ad revenue. So once you get to the required number of views and number of subscription for YouTube, you are required to get at least 1,000 subscribers, and I think it's 4,000 hours of view. So once you get to that level, you can apply for advert, and then when people view your videos, they see advert and you get paid. As simple as that. That is a passive stream of income. Okay, so let's move to the number 8 side hustle that you can do as an accountant. Number 8 is very, very important. I mean, very, very interesting. Information product creation. You have the knowledge and you have the experience. So this one is, you can just gather some of the things you have, the content, the articles you've written on your blog site. You can convert it to book. You can as well do a podcast. By podcast, I mean do a voice note audio, and you can sell it. There are sites where you can sell your audio messages, audio tutorials. Okay, you can also organize seminars for small scale business owners, for individuals who are really interested in knowing more about accounting and accounting related topics. You can as well gather all your YouTube videos and compile it, burn it on a CD and sell. So there are so many ways you can create information product. You don't need to start sourcing for extra content. You already have the content. Okay, so let's move on to the number 9 side hustle you can do as an accountant, whether in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. Number 9 is affiliate marketing. You know, when I was talking about blogging, I talked about affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing basically is the idea of collecting other people's products or services and selling them, and then you get paid in return. Okay, they pay you certain agreed commission. Okay, before you even start selling, they tell you this is the commission I pay you for selling my product or service. Okay, so this is undoubtedly a cool way of making money, especially if you have the knowledge of marketing. Okay, so this one is very risk free. You don't get to provide any product, you don't get to create any service, so you are not losing anything whether you sell or not. You move on. Okay, so why don't you just give it a try as an accountant? Okay, you can approach companies that are making accounting related products or into accounting related services that offer affiliates kind of contracts. Sign up with them and then start making your money. So let's go to the last, which is number 10. And the 10th one is freelance writing. Many people are making huge sums of income monthly basis from writing. You have the knowledge, you have the experience. Why don't you write? Even if you don't know how to write, you can learn it. You can learn it because money is at stake. So you cannot afford to lose out on this this side hustle. Freelance writing is very key. So if you know how to write, you can just leverage on your knowledge and your experience as an accountant and make money. So how then do you now get clients? You can sign up on different freelance markets. Fiverr is one very common one. You can sign up, it's free. You can also sign up on Upwork, and and so many other freelance markets platform. So I really want to thank you for hanging up, for staying till the end of this video. And please, if you don't mind, I can go on my knees to beg you to subscribe to my channel, and then to like this video, and also click on the bell symbol below. That is the notification symbol, so that whenever I publish videos, you'll be notified. Okay, these 10 side hustles that we have talked about, you need commitment and consistency to build up on them. So, and I believe these are not the only side hustles that you can do as an accountant in Nigeria or anywhere in the world. So if you know any other side hustle that I did not include here, please, you can use the comment section to add it up. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching my video. I still remain your boy, Uncle Richman. Stay safe.